guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Yono Sbi developer mode enable problem. So a lot of people have been facing the issue and don't know how to go about it. So I'm showing you how to do that. Please click on the subscribe button, it really helps a lot. Let's get right into the video. So first thing is when you install the Yono Sbi app, you're going to see this developer mode message which says manage developer mode. For secure access to Yono, please disable the developer mode by going to settings, developer option off. Once done, please try again. So what you need to do is you actually go to your phone settings, right, and scroll all the way down to check if you are actually your developer mode is actually on. So I'm going to click on it and you can see mine is on. So if yours is on, all you need to do is turn that off. And when after turning it off and you still see the same message, what you need to do is you need to go back and check. So let's check mine, if mine is going to go open without the pop-up message. Okay, my one is open. So if you still face that, all you need to do is go back to your phone settings and you have to on the developer option again and turn it off. So once you do that, it's going to start working. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching. That's my next video. Bye.